Very good afternoon. Today, I'm going to discuss about what are the components and architecture that is needed for building up a better business intelligence environment. I'm Dr.S.Thulasimani, MBA, MPhil, PhD, Assistant Professor, Department of Business Administration. It's actually a very challenging topic today. What we are going to discuss. Actually, we need for a simple environment in a home itself, we need proper internet connection, proper gadgets like computer or laptop or a mobile phone or whatever it is. It has to be in such a built-in architecture, and any Wi-Fi connectivity components are very much important. Likewise, an organization with tons and tons of data that has to be stored and it has to be retrieved and it has to be processed in the form of information. As I know, information is only knowledge. So without proper knowledge, any organization network cannot be reconnected, or it cannot be solved. So data is actually, as we know, that many things are a backbone or blood or veins of an organization. Without proper data, whatever might be the activity, it cannot be successfully done. So data has to be processed with proper analytical tools. So to use the tools and proper environment, that is hardware environment has to be provided. Hardware, software, everything. Software knowledge is important. Hardware knowledge is important. So nowadays, machine learning, data analytics, everything is providing the situation of very for processing data. So now, the people proudly tell I am only studying human resource management. I know I am not in need of much of informations regarding to business intelligence. It is not the fact. So whoever it is whether you are a normal business intelligence student or whether you are anybody else, whoever it is, even a layman should know how to use a gadget for of storing data, simply storing phone numbers and retrieving phone numbers. Those informations are knowledge. So then with that knowledge, they call various people. So a person with very minimum degree in an organization, they should at least know to retrieve the phone numbers to make calls to customers. So proper architecture, that is a proper built-in machine environment, is important in an organization. Without in building up and proper customer relationship management data processing tools, even to store in cloud, we need proper architecture. We need mobile phones, or we need computers, or we need any data processing tools. The tools should be supported with proper softwares, even to store in cloud. So there are various connectors like wires and switches or circuits that should be developed, and we are using that with Tabla dashboards will be developed in organizations for each and every problem. For each and every problem, there will be different dashboards. So when the people will visit those dashboards, they can get the information that is naturally needed for processing the data. So everything is natural thinking only. It's not of any artificial or any day-to-day activities. Is all natural thinkings. Whether you're a doctor, whether you're an engineer, whether you're whether you are an civil engineer, or whether you are a mechanical engineer, whoever it is, they needs data as information that has to be connected. It has to be properly related. So team coordination between peoples are very important. So proper support system has to be developed. So only then, without proper support system, people cannot do things. So any such environment that is developed for retrieving data, they should keep in who is going to use the information, the who will be retrieving the information, when it will be retrieved, for whom it will be, how it will be retrieved. So according to the nature of the person, the retrieval methodology also should be tailor made. So empathy gives who is going to use, and the problem has to be properly defined, and the workflows should be properly visualized. Okay, so proper mock-ups and wire frameworks and minimum dashboards are needed. Too many dashboards will create too many confusions in the problem. So system has to be developed in that everything should be made very simple, and it should be made, whoever it is going to use with the minimum knowledge, they should be able to solve the situations. So it is actually a challenging phenomena. So even though it is a challenging phenomena, without data, information, and knowledge, no work can be properly proper results cannot be given. So to get the remarkable research, the tailor-made or prototype environment should be created. So we should properly link each and every areas where it should be. So for that design thinking, that is thinking, as we think manually, the model should be able to connect where, how, when, in such a way it has to be connected. So visual clarity of data and informations are very important. Without proper visualizing the data and knowing the cause effect relationship, any architecture cannot be developed. So thank you for patiently listening. I'm very happy as that I have given a note of importance of our business intelligence and the components that is needed for business intelligent environment.